Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech meets simplicity. In today's video, we are diving into Post Planner, the powerful platform that helps you automate your social media scheduling like a pro. Whether you're managing a brand, a small business, or building your own personal presence online, Post Planner makes it easy to plan, schedule, and optimize your content across multiple platforms all in one place. So we will walk you through the dashboard and of course show you how to create and schedule posts, explore content suggestions, and tap into the platform's smart automation tools to save you tons of time. So if you are ready to stop manually posting and start growing smarter with social media automation, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin by going to the official website of Post Planner. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the best option is to click the try it for free or click the button that says start free account. No credit card required. And then you will be forwarded to a new page. All you have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed, or if you wanted, you can connect with your Facebook account. Now, it's very important to follow the on-screen instructions, alright? So, right now, there's going to be an option here that says next step. Click on it, and then as you can see, you can add your weekly posting times, alright? So if you click on the plan to add something like a posting times, if you don't want to make changes, your post will publish every day at 8 a.m. So if you're happy with that, okay, so we're gonna go to the finish button. If you do that, you'll be forwarded to the main homepage of your account. So there's gonna be a welcome dialog box, but for now we're gonna say no thanks and we're going to explore the platform. It offers a very clean interface, it's a very intuitive, and we have been using Post Planner for quite some time. And let me tell you, it's very easy to use. Now, we have the calendar view right here on the home page, all right? And it gives you the notification that your trial expires in 6 days. So if you want to end trial today, you can get a discount by click on this orange button. Now, the main thing that we're going to do right off the bat is to click the create a post, all right? You need to choose the post destination, all right? In our case, that's going to be that. And we need to add our first content. So we need to add our link here. So in this case, we're gonna say something like Post Planner. Okay, so let me hold that for a second. So I'm gonna be posting something like this, and I'm going to add an image, something like this. And you have more options here. You can add your first snippet. So you can use snippets to save text, hashtags, and links for your post. You can do that by clicking the arrow right here, plus the hashtags, all right? Add keywords to get your hashtags, maybe this, all right? It's very simple. And then you also have an option to use the AI to create content for you based on the prompt. You can choose a category. Is it going to be for a social media post? You can choose from FB, IG, Google Biz, LinkedIn, of course, we're going to use that. And you can choose a prompt. Write an engaging link and post about, or create a link and post promoting a blog post, and a lot more. For example, we're going to write something here and click the generate contents to see what we got from here. So the content, or the AI is creating a content for you, so you might want to wait for that and make sure that you are connected to an active internet connection. It should be stable. And if you're having issues accessing the Post Planner website, you might want to use a VPN. After doing so, all right, so I'm happy with this. And then we're going to go back here. So you need to create a link in post, link in caption, and add your first comment if an optional. You can go to the network settings to add for the caption. And then your post is optimized and sendable for all networks. You can create a post right here. And then the option is going to be on the drop down. You can share now one post or schedule post. I am not going to share it right now. Instead, I'm going to schedule it. You can choose from any of the following. Make sure that you are connected to the right time zone. Right? And if you wanted to repeat that, you can also do that as well and click the schedule one post. But for now, I'm going to cancel everything. All right. So Instead, I'm gonna go back to share you some of the more features that we need to explore. Now, after that, we have the content. The content is where you can have all of you can get content for posts, streams, or create from social media, create from blogs, reuse your previous posts, or create with AI. It depends on your preferences. You can find images, vids, and GIFs. For example, let's say YouTube. Try to press enter, and you would have to get all of these GIFs that you can use for streams, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, RSS codes, post ideas, articles, media, and a lot more. So these are going to be your search engine so that you can repurpose all your content. For the streams, you can search again for social accounts. For example, Mr. Beast. Let's say in this instance, we're going to go for Mr. Beast. Type it in and search for the content. So you have all the streams, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, and a lot more. You have the library section. If you wanted to upload your first content, you can do so. We're going to use that. Okay, so we're going to... Alright, so it's public. And click the save button. Now, I'm going to go to the posting plan because this is going to be your scheduling engine. Okay, so it's used to set when and where your content gets posted. So remember earlier we have created a content and we have it scheduled. All right, and we can automatically reuse content based on a cycle, which is great for evergreen posts. All right, or for example, if you wanted to customize posting times for each connected social media account, you can do so. You can assign post categories to specific time slots for organized automation. And then after the posting plans, you have the history down here. The history logs all your published content and activities. So since we don't have anything yet posted, it's unscheduled. But if you do, you will see the past post, see what was posted, when and which platform, engagement metrics, and some history reviews may show likes, shares, and comments depending on the integration. And of course, you have the ability to quickly locate posts based on campaign or performance. And of course, the best option is you can also easily reschedule or reuse high-performing content. If you want to upgrade, seeming that the Post Planner is going to be the platform that answers all your business needs, I want you to click the End Trial today. All right? Activate account with a discount. You will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. All right? All you have to do is provide all of the information needed, and the plan business annual is around at this price. Just provide all of the information needed here, like credit card account, and you'd be able to use and leverage all of the potential tools and features of Post Planner to answer your business needs. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of Post Planner. So if you're looking for a streamlined, no-fuss scheduler that helps you stay consistent, boost engagement, and save hours every week, Post Planner is absolutely worth a try. The interface is clean, the features are practical, and it's built to keep your content engine running smoothly. Post Planner definitely simplifies the social media grind, especially for busy marketers and content creators. Because from crafting engaging posts to scheduling them across multiple platforms and tracking your content's performance, it does the job. Now, let us know in the comments, have you used Post Planner before? Or are you planning to try it out after this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts or maybe experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and of course hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.